Term 3, Lesson 3, Air. Air is present everywhere around us. Though we cannot see it, we can feel it. Air is a mixture of gases like oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, and hydrogen. In the recent years, more number of industries has been established and they release excess of harmful gases like carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Because of this, air is polluted more than ever before. In this lesson, we are going to study about different layers of atmosphere, air pollution, airborne diseases, and the measures to control air pollution. Atmosphere. The earth is surrounded by a layer of gases which is called the atmosphere. The earth is surrounded by a layer of gases which is called the atmosphere. It is composed mainly of nitrogen, oxygen. Other gases like carbon dioxide and argon comprise 1% of the atmosphere by volume. The atmosphere is like a blanket that surrounds the earth. It protects the earth from getting too cold or too hot. Atmosphere is divided into 5 different layers. The layers from the bottom upwards are called troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and finally exosphere. First one, troposphere. The troposphere is the lowest layer of the atmosphere. From the sea level, it extends up to about 10 kilometers. It is the densest layer and almost 75% of the air in the atmosphere is found in this layer. This layer also has water vapor. We live in the troposphere and most of the weather, clouds, rain, snow is found in this layer. All weather changes also occurs in this layer. Stratosphere. It extends from the top of the troposphere to about 50 kilometers above the ground. Ozone layer found in this layer absorbs harmful ultraviolet rays which can cause damage to our skin and eyes. Ozone layer found in this layer. In stratosphere, there is no water vapor in this layer. The temperature in this layer is around minus 550 degrees Celsius. Next one, mesosphere. The region above the stratosphere is called the mesosphere. It extends upward to a height of about 85 kilometers from the ground. Most of the meteors found in the sky burn in this layer. Most of the meteors found in the sky burn in this layer. Next one, thermosphere. The layer of very rare air above the mesosphere is called the thermosphere. It is found above the mesosphere. And finally, exosphere, the outermost layer of the atmosphere is called the exosphere. The outermost layer of the atmosphere is called the exosphere. It lies between 400 to 1500 kilometers above the earth. The air here is extremely thin. The air here is extremely thin. As the height increases, the amount of air in the atmosphere decreases and so the oxygen level will decrease. That is why mountain climbers carry oxygen cylinders while climbing mountains. So, atmosphere is divided into 5 different layers. They are troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. Thank you.